Hi, hello. Welcome everyone to the another exciting video with an amazing product on demand in market. It's Dentitox. Unlike other Dentitox reviews on the internet, I'm not here to scare you with some shocking survey results or statistics. A year ago, I've gone through all these reviews on Google to find whether the Dentitox program works or not. There are many fake reviews by people who never even know what really inside the program. So, I decided to come forward with the study that covers all pros and cons of Marc's Dentitox program. So it would be my honest opinion that reading the Dentitox review till the end without missing any points will give you clarification about the Dentitox program. So let's get going with the Dentitox review. This video we are going to reveal the secrets to healthy teeth and gums by this product Dentitox. How these toothpaste companies have false claimed all the way to cure all our dental problems. But now we have a scientifically proven method. We will show all the proof, not just false claim in mouth. Because we are here to get rid of mouth problems. Funny. Let's start it now. What is mean by Dentitox Pro? Hundreds of millions of individuals around the world suffer from poor oral health. Visiting the dentist can be costly. This is true even in countries where medicine is subsidized. Visiting the dentist can be frightening, stressful, intimidating, humiliating, and even painful. Dentitox Pro is a nutritious dental health supplement designed to help you reverse significant dental problems and keep your teeth healthy. There are 10 pills in this. This supplement is in the form of a liquid, and the normal user will take 6 drops each day to improve their oral health. What services does it provide? Based on a traditional African medicine, gums are rebuilt. Inflammation and infections are treated. Enamel regeneration is triggered. Supports good dental and overall health. What are the ingredients present in a Dentitox Pro? Let's take a look at the supplement fact in a Dentitox Pro. Let's examine what the ingredients are now. Elderberry. Elderberry has been increasingly popular in recent years due to its potent immune-boosting qualities. Xylitol. Xylitol is found in a variety of fruits and vegetables. Xylitol, according to studies, can help reduce tooth decay. Vitamins. Vitamins K2 and D3 are found in Dentitox Pro. These vitamins are required for the immune system to function properly. Vitamins K2 and D3 also help with a variety of other health issues. Licorice. Licorice root has long been used in Ayurvedic medicine to treat tooth decay and gum disease. Minerals. Minerals like potassium, calcium, phosphorus, zinc, magnesium, and iron are found in Dentitox Pro. MSM and collagen. Collagen and MSM are common constituents in joint health supplements, however they are rarely used in oral health supplements. Neem. Dentitox Pro contains neem, a plant that has antibacterial properties and is commonly used to treat gingivitis. Sage. Sage is an antioxidant-rich evergreen subshrub that promotes gum health and immunity. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has been used as a traditional medicine for centuries, and its popularity is growing. Peppermint. Peppermint is a well-known traditional remedy for muscle and nerve pain, as well as other ailments. And now who should use it and for whom it is not considered safe? Dentitox Pro is designed for persons who want to improve their dental health. It is critical to look after your dental health. Neglecting your dental health can lead to a variety of other health problems, including digestive problems. Poor dental hygiene can result in significant physical and mental discomfort. If you don't want to be known as the person with bad breath, you should use Dentitox Pro in such case. Taking care of your teeth and gums might help you avoid cavities and severe diseases. Furthermore, when you use Dentitox Pro to maintain your oral health, you can save money on dentist visits. Second, Dentitox Pro